Hey, my name is Karen Jones, content creator from the Society of Technical Analysts. Today I want to run through how you use clouds as a buy or sell signal. On this particular chart, which is a silver weekly chart, we're going to use the cloud is already on now. And what you do is you look for the green line, which is known as the lagging line, to break above the cloud and above price. And also when price breaks above the cloud should be green. That is giving you your buy entry signal at this point, which is around 24.22. Your stop can go below the base of the cloud. So you're in this trade. It dipped back to the base of the cloud here in February, but it held and it bounced off of the cloud. It went sideways for some time. It then dipped back to the base of the cloud in April. The base of the cloud held. And from this point, it really started to accelerate higher. Now, obviously, the stop level below the base of the cloud is a little bit further away. So you might want to, at this point, raise your stop tighter and perhaps put it below this baseline, which is the brown line here. Thank you very much.